In this video, I will show you how to show the bookmarks bar in a Google Chrome browser. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started with this, what you want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser, come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the three dots to open up this menu. Then what you want to do is come down to the bottom and click onto settings. That's going to take you into your Google Chrome settings. And from here, if you come to the menu on the left hand side, what you want to do is click onto appearance. Now, once you've done that, you're going to see some different things you can do with your browser. For example, you can customize your toolbar, change your theme, and also the mode. But if you look a bit down, you're going to see the option to show the bookmarks bar. You can see mine's currently turned off, so yours is probably going to be turned off as well. So all you need to do is simply turn the switch on, just like so, and the bookmarks bar is going to appear underneath the web address bar. So that is how to show the bookmarks bar in a Google Chrome browser. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.